Some of us here, as you can see, we've lost properties. We are losing more properties, yet we do not know when relief is coming to us. We urge the president who campaigned for the hustlers, that these classrooms were built by the hustlers themselves. As you can see behind me, here are women, mothers, contractors who are beginning. Most of us are doing our first and our second projects. We were hoping to become better contractors in future, but as it is, that dream is almost dying because we are paying huge interest rates for the loans we acquired over the short period of time so that we were able to complete the projects in time. It's quite unfortunate that most of our children cannot even go to school, yet the classrooms we built are being occupied by children from other parents, simply because we've not received any payments. We invested the retro we had in the projects in the hope that we will make something out of it.
The 600,000 we used for the projects, our children could be happy, they could be in school, they could be getting good medical attention, and they could be living a happy life like any other child. Why are we suffering? Over 40 classrooms within the Meru County. Some of our contractors are not here. Some of them are in the hospital as we speak. They are admitted. Others have turned out to be suicidal. Anyway.